Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? All good? If you guys are ready to read a book with Miss Surbi, give me a thumbs up. Yay! Let's see what we have today. The Saggy, Baggy Elephant. Suki dances. Happy elephant. 1, 2, 3, stop! The jungle shakes. 1, 2, 3, a tree falls. A parrot sees Suki and giggles. He teases Suki about his saggy, baggy skin. Do we tease our friends or anybody for that matter? No, we don't tease people. Suki wants to fix it, but how to fix his saggy skin? Here comes a tiger. He's not saggy. Why? He says he stays fit. So Suki walks, Suki rolls, but his skin is still too big. Maybe water will shrink his skin. Oh no, here comes a crocodile. Run, Suki! Suki finds a dark cave. Hide inside, Suki. Hide your saggy skin. Hide your baggy skin. Growl! Here comes a lion. The lion is hungry. Suki trumpets with his trunk. Stomp, stomp, here comes many elephants. The lion runs away. Suki looks at the elephants. They have saggy skin too. They have baggy skin just like him. Suki dances. The elephants dance. 1, 2, 3, kick. Happy elephants. Do you think Suki is happy now with everyone else? Yes? Did you guys like reading the book with Miss Surbi? Bye for now. Love you guys.